Oh, okay. No. Hi from the maker's corner again. Took a while for XSplit to start. Sometimes it does that. It takes longer than average to start. Anyway, here we are again. Yep, I've been progressing a bit with the project. I've been doing a lot of stuff outside here, getting ready for the winter. Yeah, we're talking about we want to measure the ambient temperature, so now I actually added another one-wire temperature sensor. And I also tested the script, so I just changed to the new digital input address and then it worked fine. So we have that one. And yeah, I was going to connect up the thermistor for the heating block. Oh, let's see if I can bring that over. Yeah, I wanted to have a temperature sensor for this one. And I needed that 100 kilo ohm resistor, so I thought I'd actually improve on that idea. So I actually bought a box of 2,600 resistors instead. So I only have these hobby electronic packets, and I'm always getting into a problem where these I'm missing one resistor or another. So I just thought now I'm fed up. I'll just take that package. It wasn't that expensive actually. I don't know why I haven't bought it early. And then I picked up some other stuff also. A bag full of different sized electrolytic condensers, and then various sizes. A kit containing various sizes of ceramic capacitors. And I also bought a bag of surface mount resistors. Sometimes come in useful to fix things. Yeah. So that's what I did with that problem. So now we should be able to find in this collection 100 kilo ohm resistor, so I can put the thermistor in place. But I probably won't do it today. So it's getting a bit late here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Then I fixed the lamp cord on my lamp. So then I put a shrink wrap extra support so that it won't split like it did before I fixed it. Well, that wasn't that easy. I had to take the whole thing. I had to take the whole bottom thing apart. I had to take the control of the power supply unit out, and then I did solder, cut this wire shorter. It was quite a big deal, but it's fixed. It works good enough, I suppose. Yeah, and then I will also try and get our little experiment in its box. Do bits of drilling, so probably the next time I'll probably delay an update until I get the thermistor working and get it in its box, and maybe even get some more Arduino code or fix the programming for this a little bit better, so we have something we could look at it in a graph, see how the temperatures develop, just to have something to play with. That's pretty much it for now. Well, see you people later then. Bye bye.